Ready to cash in your Solana-based tokens? First, head over to Raydium and connect your Solana wallet like Phantom or Solflare by clicking the Connect Wallet button. Make sure your wallet is unlocked and ready to go. Once connected, navigate to the swap section, usually located prominently on the main page. This is where the magic happens. Next, select the token you want to sell from the top drop-down menu. This will be your input token. Then, choose the token you want to receive in exchange, like SOL or USDC, from the bottom drop-down menu, your output token. Now, enter the amount of the token you wish to sell. Pay close attention to the exchange rate display and carefully consider the slippage tolerance. Higher slippage means your transaction is more likely to go through, but at a potentially less favorable price. Review all the transaction details carefully in the confirmation window. This includes the amount, the expected output, and any transaction fees. Finally, click the swap button and authorize the transaction in your connected wallet. Be patient, as Solana transactions are usually fast, but can sometimes take a few seconds. And that's it. Once the transaction is confirmed, you've successfully sold your token on Raydium. Now go enjoy your profits. #RaydiumSol #Solana DeFi.